Table of 1. Learn and recognize. One multiply one equals to one. One ones are one. One multiply two equals to two. One twos are two. One multiply three equals to three. One threes are three. One multiply four equals to four. One fours are four. One multiply five equals to five. One fives are five. One multiply six equal to six. One six are six. One multiply seven equals to seven. One seven is seven. One multiply eight equals to eight. One eights are eight. One multiply nine equals to nine. One nines are nine. One multiply 10 equals to 10. One tens are 10. One ones are one. One twos are two. One threes are three. One fours are four. One fives are five. One six are six. One sevens are seven. One eights are eight. One nines are nine. 1 10 the 10.